BSMS is an app for collecting observations regarding the technical, environmental, OHS, events-related data on bridge sites of Nepal and uploading it to the BSMS system. You need to have an account to use BSMS app. Enter the email and password and press Login button to enter the app. If you don't have an account, you can request one in the website. When successfully logged in, you are asked to upload your profile picture. For that, click on Add Photo. You can either take photo using mobile camera or upload the existing photo from gallery. After uploading photo, press Continue. It will take you to home page, where the collected observations are listed. First of all, click on Setting icon. Click on Fetch data from server to download data from server into your mobile device. Now press plus icon at the bottom right corner to take observations. It will take you to Initial Detail page. Click on this icon to fetch the bridges nearby. This will open the map with pin pointing the bridges near your location. Either select from the list or click on the marker to select the bridge. Or you can also manually input the fields. Select Road Network. Then select District. After selecting the district and clicking on Select Bridge, a list of bridges in that district will appear, ordered by bridge code. Select the bridge from the list. You can also search the bridge in the search field. Or you can scroll through the list. Then select the construction status from the list. The date and time of observation is automatically inserted from system. Press Continue to move to next page. Now add observation by selecting observation type. Click on the field to set the coordinates. GPS location should be turned on to set the coordinates. Once coordinates are fetched, click on Set Coordinates. Select exact location of bridge. It is the point in the bridge where you are taking the observation. Abutment 1 in this case. Now select the observation component. Let's say Approach Road. Now enter the observation notes in the description field. Provide observation rating. The rating system is totally up to your judgment. Let's give good for now. You can also add up to 4 photographs. Click Add Photo, allow permissions. Then click Set Coordinates. This will open the camera. Take photo. Add a caption and click Done. You can also click Save and add more photo if you want to add more photos. You can also add a short video to take notes. Click on Add Video, set coordinates and start recording. Add caption and click Done. It takes few seconds or even minutes to upload the video, according to your video length. You can also take audio notes. Click on Add Audio and then click Start Recording. Click Stop to stop recording. Add caption and press Done. This completes your technical observation. Press Save as to save the observation. Save as draft saves the observation and take you to home screen. Click Save and add more observation if you want to take another observation. Let's select Environment as observation category this time. Set coordinates as before. 2 more questionnaires are added for environment observation. Click on Environment Assessment Type and select appropriate option from the list. Let's choose IE. Similarly, answer to the question, is site-specific EMAP/EMP prepared or not? If the answer is yes, you are given a list of predefined options to choose from. If your answer is no, then you are asked to list objectional non-compliance activities. You can add as much as you want. You can also choose NA if not applicable. If you choose yes, then a field compliance status of proposed as per EMAP will appear below. You can choose from physical and chemical and from biological compliances. Choose multiple if required. Write description notes. Give compliance rating. Rating provided are totally up to your judgment. Let's give fair. Next is severity rating. Rate according to how serious the compliance is. Let's say serious for this observation. Now add photographs as before. You need to take at least one photo for an observation. Set the coordinate, capture photo. Add caption and press done. You can add video and audio like before. For now, let's skip that part. Press save as and save as a draft. It will take you to observation list page. You can see we have taken one technical and one environmental observation. Click on the three dots icon at the right of the list. Edit and delete option are shown. Click edit observation if you want to edit your observation. Add caption to the audio. And press save. Click on three dots again. Press delete observation if you want to delete the observation. Let's add one more observation. This time select social as the observation category. Set coordinates. Select environment assessment type. Let's choose preliminary environmental assessment screening. Answer to the question, is EMAP prepared or not? You can see the options to the compliance status has changed for social observation. Choose from the list. Then add description note. Give compliance rating. Take one photograph. Add caption and press done. We forgot to rate the safety scenario of the site. Select the rating. Then press Save As. Click Save as Draft. Now we have 3 observations in the list. Press Back button on top left corner. Press Go to Home. Press 3 dots on the right side to see further options. View Observation will take you to observation lists. You can see there is no edit option, so you can only view the observations. Let's go to Home again. Click on 3 dots and click Edit Observation. This time the edit option is available. Click 3 dots again. A confirmation is shown when delete is pressed. Press Yes to delete. Let's go to Home once more and press 3 dots again. The third option is Upload Observation. Clicking it will show this confirmation message. Press Yes, Upload to send the observation to Central Server. Once the data is uploaded, the list turns green, which was black before. The edit option is no longer available. Only view option is available. Since the data is uploaded to server, you may delete it from your mobile device to free up space. Hope you don't find any difficulty using BSMS app. Thank you.